Here's how to create a Keplr wallet quick and easy. First, go to Keplr app or search for Keplr wallet in the Chrome Web Store or mobile app store. Install the Keplr extension on the mobile app and then open it. As soon as you open it, it will take you to this page. Here, tap on Create a new wallet. You'll now see your 12-word secret recovery phrase. This is extremely important. Write it down and store it in a safe, offline place, never share it with anyone else. Next, create a wallet name and a new password. Confirm your seed phrase as instructed, then hit register or create wallet. And that's it. Your Keplr wallet is ready. You can now view your Cosmos-based assets, connect to dApps, and stack tokens like Atom, Osmo, Juno, and more, all from one wallet. And that's how you create a Keplr wallet, secure, fast, and fully Web3 ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.